Well, first off, does anyone watch Schitt's Creek? All right, louder, please. That's a great show, right? Okay. So, you know that song, David Rose? Well, you know, David Rose is really into retail, and I secretly want to be David Rose. So, in another life. But anyway, so I am here. First, we're going to start and really kind of start with some old school Denver. These are the businesses that really helped make the scene. And, you know, I'm really into spectacles and really making spectacles. So if you've been to one of these businesses and or know about them or not, then I want you to scream. All right? So we're going to try my little scream meter, the magic scream meter, okay? So on the count of 3, I want you guys to all scream. So 1, 2, 3. All right, let's see what the scream meter says. I'll try again. All right, 1, 2, 3. All right, now we're partying. All right, so have you been to Celebrity Fun Center? Yep, okay, cool. How about the organ grinder? Yeah, okay. And how about this one? Really? Come on. One more. Come on. All right, perfect. Okay, so now we're gonna get a little more current, and we're going to do really this last year. So I also was told, I threw in a museum one just because I like to break the rules. So this is the Denver Museum of Nature and Science. They did this really cool exhibit exploring the 5 senses. This is their totally trippy room. Anyone been there? I saw it? Okay, I know we have some Museum of Nature and Science people over here. Need to scream louder. All right, there we go, perfect. Okay, how about this one? Has anyone been to Neon Baby? Yes? Awesome. So at Neon Baby, you're totally immersed in neon and a very colorful environment while you get to dance, which I love dancing. How about Make Believe Bakery? Anyone been there? So I love this because really the door eats you, just like you're gonna eat those delicious cupcakes there. So, right, talk about immersive, super fun. How about this? Anyone know who this guy is? Right? So I put together a fun menu, really kind of with a ton of immersive experiences that were for sale at Milk Market during the holiday. So some of the experiences that were immersive was, we worked with Meow Wolf to do an experience tube pizza party where you got immersed with each other and then got the experience tube super greasy with pizza, right? This one, we were immersed with bugs. So we worked with Chef Frank Bonanno, and we also worked with the curator of insects at the Museum of Nature and Science and put together a dinner with bugs. And I gotta say, people were really bugging out. I know. This one, I worked with the town of Paonia, Colorado. Anyone has been to Paonia? Super fun. So we immersed people in Paonia, in their agriculture, and really their culture and all the fun things. And, you know, the fun thing about this was Paonia's looking for more tourists. I just got an email saying from the woman who helped me organize this in Paonia that next year, the people who bought this experience are bringing 5 of their friends to do this same thing next year. So talk about marketing. That's great for these small towns. That's the number. 74% of Americans say that they want experiences over things and stuff. So that's an amazing opportunity for this work. So I invite all of you to explore those opportunities with me during Denver Startup Week, happening September 16th through the 20th. Our unofficial theme is really the experience economy. So I want to see everyone there. So please go to denverstartupweek.org, register, and join me. Thank you.